Opposition spokesman on education Peter Bunting believes the COVID pandemic may be the push that finally improves the sector. This as the impact of the virus is still being felt and is expected to continue into the new school year.
The disruption in education delivery because of the COVID-19 pandemic is undeniable. Halting physical classes only highlighted technological limitations, as no internet access prevented many from attending online classes. And even for those who have access, unreliable utility services made the experience useless. However, for opposition spokesman on education, Peter Bunting, there may be a bright side.
The silver lining, if there is any, for the education is that it will accelerate the implementation of technology in the education process. And that's a good thing.
But speaking at a Tablets for Teachers handing over ceremony at the Mayday High School in Manchester on Thursday, Mr. Bunting suggested that the plan to hand over 40,000 tablets when 500,000 instruments are needed is a marginal move that will not achieve the goal. Firstly, he believes tablets are not ideal for the transformation.
A tablet computer is a second instrument, it's not a primary instrument. What students and teachers need are laptop computers. Laptop computers as part of an integrated learning management system.
Under that learning management system, he wants principals and teachers at each school to determine what's best for their institution. He believes with the advancement of technology today, all students and teachers should be given laptops. He says 15 years ago, his daughter's educational material and assignments were all managed online.
At that time, maybe only elite private schools could afford it. But with the development and advances in technology and the reduction in prices, it would actually be cheaper to do that now than the traditional way of having the students buy a small suitcase of textbooks that thick.
Secondly, he suggests greater investment in infrastructure to get fiber optics, not only to parish capitals, but in communities across the country.
We have to take that bold approach if we really want to close those gaps in, a relatively short period of time.
The Tablets for Teachers program is one of the agreements from the salary negotiation between the government and the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA. This is the largest delivery of units since then.